this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets, I'm gonna trade, and I'm gonna show you everything. Okay, it is currently 9 a.m. Eastern time, and in 30 minutes, the New York Stock Exchange will open, the session. That's when I will trade, that's when the market opens, big banks open, etc. And the price will start to move, okay? That's the best time to trade. And if you don't know, who am I? My name is Editor Cash, I'm a full-time day trader. I've been trading for over 4 years. And essentially, I started this channel because I've seen a lot of people struggle and a lot of fluff in the trading industry, a lot of fake gurus, etc. I'm not gonna drop names, but there's a lot of them. I'm trying to bring some transparency into the space. That's why I'm recording these videos. And I'm also teaching this to my younger self because my younger self would have wanted to see these kind of videos. I would have become profitable way faster with these kind of videos. But anyways, now you don't have to go through the struggle because I'm here to guide. Essentially, let's just get into the video. Enough talking, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you make it. I just took this right here, looking for a potential re-entry, following the downtrend, consistent movement to the downside. If the price pushes to the retracement, I'm gonna enter following this downtrend, targeting these lows. I enter right there, following the downtrend. I already took my first trade right here. That was a winner. Looking forward for the price to go down, targeting these lows, and yeah, let's see what happens. There we go, man. 1K in this trade, and in the first trade 1.4K, bro. Amazing. Yo, man, let's do a trade recap. This week was amazing. This day was amazing. And flawless week, meaning I took only wins, no losses, and I'm not even flex on you, but bands after bands after bands. And why am I saying that? Because I want to motivate. I'm here to motivate, innovate, and educate. And I'm not, there are people who flex, but there are also people like me who show and also teach you how you can do that. So let me just teach you. Let me just show you how I did this. As you can see, the first thing that catches my eye, first of all, is this beautiful downtrend that constantly gets respected. Okay, that's exactly as traders what we want to see. Okay, we need to see the respect of the trend, whether it's going up or down. We need to see the respect. And as you can see in the beginning of the session, it was moving kind of shitty, right? But then we start to create our what? Our low lows. Okay, this was still kind of constellation, right? But then we start to create our respect to the downside. We start to create our low lows, low highs, 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 low lows. As you can see, it continues even further. I could have continued this trade, but let me explain you why I took 2 trades instead of 1. As you can see, I could have taken 1 trade and just taken like a sniper trade, like 6 reshort ratio. But the reason why I targeted this, I actually took it from here. I took the profits from here, but essentially there was liquidity. I targeted liquidity areas because liquidity can switch the price direction, meaning there could have been a potential chance that it will start to trend up, but it didn't. And that's the thing, we saw the constant respect to the downside, meaning I'm like, okay, cool, I'm gonna continue to look for sells. And then essentially I could have wanted to short right here, but the reshort ratio would have been kind of mid, right? Look at this, like 1-to-1. I wanted to retrace a bit because naturally the trend has to create the lower highs, and then it continued down. Essentially I entered right here. I wanted to enter around here in this fair value gap, but I just entered here because we gotta be fast in these markets, right? And then I just target more liquidity. I can check, this was this was a 15-minute low, could potentially switch the price, and especially on Fridays, lower price action, I don't want to trade too long in this session, but then we just continue down. Beautiful last session, but essentially, as you can see, the beginning of the session was very trash. As you can see, no clear direction. This is not what we want to see, but finally we start to create consistency. Look at this, we took immediately 1 out of them lows right there. I thought that, okay, probably gonna look for buys, because after the sweep we actually got some sort of reaction from that. And the reason why I didn't want to buy, because we were getting very close to this buy side liquidity. I just wanted to wait. As you can see, price kind of started to move very shitty sideways. We don't want to see this. Then it finally started to respect the downtrend. Okay, that's the thing, whatever trend you see, you need to follow it. Okay, I'm not saying that if it moves a little bit, like let's say a little bit like this, you shouldn't immediately short the markets, because it could just consolidate in this area. But when you start to see constant respect of the downtrend, You need to look for shorts, okay? If you see constant respect of the uptrend, this wasn't enough for me, but if I would have seen it more and passed this liquidity and continue with more, I would have bought it. But I didn't. I didn't create that, but then it started to respect the downtrend, and boom. That's the thing, man. That's amazing ass trade. 2 amazing trades. Yo, man, just like that. 2 trades in the session, almost 2.5k. Okay, amazing trade, and that's just the power of trading. Okay, 30 to 60 minutes in the markets and my job is done. Okay, I can just go to the gym, I can do whatever I want, etc. But again, I'm not here to flex on you, I'm just here to show what's possible. I'm 18 and this is just the beginning. Okay, later is gonna be 10k days, even later is gonna be 100k days, and this is just, you gotta believe in it. Okay, you gotta first believe and then you can achieve whatever you fucking want. Okay, it's all starts here. Okay, if you can believe that you can do something, you can fucking do it. Okay, motivational speech of the day. But essentially, man, if you actually want to become profitable very, very, very fast, I actually posted about this trade, these 2 trades in my free Telegram. Okay, I post every single day in there, a lot of value, a lot of exclusive insights, a lot of stuff I don't post anywhere else, like actual trading value. So if you want to get that completely for free, then click the first link in the description. It will get you to my free Telegram. And yeah, man, essentially, as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.